Guys, that mega yacht behind me, the owner of it is worth $7 billion. He was the one that made Bobcat. It's worth $7 billion, bro. He has a fucking helicopter on his mega yacht. This mega yacht is worth $200 million, and he has it parked outside Cabo for the last week since we've been here. He's been ruining my fucking trip. This dude has $200 million to just park up on a fucking yacht, and I don't even have 5 mil of that 200 mil that he has to put on a fucking yacht, bro. What the fuck? What are we doing, bro? I don't even have 10 mil of that. What the fuck, bro? And he has 200 of it to just put it on a yacht. Not on his house, not on his cars, not on his fucking luxury. Like, bro, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. Mashallah to him, bro, but we up next, bro.